Hey guys, welcome. I am shooting this other video that I wanted to put out. It's basically how you can embed or how you can put YouTube videos on your online sales pro sales page in case you're making or just want to share some value to somebody. So if, for example, you have a list, an email list, or you want to share on Facebook, you want to get obviously new leads, right? So you make a video. Now you make a video, you have to embed it on the online sales pro page in order for you to then actually use it as a product or market it. Okay, I'm being very specific about the words that I use because I really want you guys to understand this specifically. It's a powerful method. Okay, so there are a few things that happen when you do that. I'm going to show you the things that happen, and I'm going to show you how you can take out, or let's say do everything that is best for you. Okay, so let me share my screen at the moment, and then I will get into the details of it. So I'm on my Facebook, and I want to show you something really simple. Okay, so if you go down on my Facebook, you will find that just below there are links over here. Okay, so if somebody goes to my any of my pages, okay, so for example my website, okay, clicks on it and they go to the website. This page was created in Online Sales Pro. Now after you submit your, excuse me a second, yeah, after you submit your page, okay, oh, sorry, after you submit your email address, you'll then get into another page. Now I want to show you something which is going to be cool and everything. With Online Sales Pro, you can make video pages as well, right? So these, I'm in Online Sales Pro in my account at the moment, and you can see that this is my account, guys. Just so you guys have some proof, this is it. Okay, and it's really easy to make a page in Online Sales Pro, right? You go to page templates after you're in, and you can make different sales pages and video pages and stuff like that. Okay, so let's make a simple how do you this. For example, this video that I'm making right here, I want to use it as a tutorial. So I'm going to make a page. Click on the page, and they ask for a few things, right? They ask for a headline here. In this case, I'm just going to take out the headline, but you can use the headline how test page. I'm just going to use it as test page so you see that exactly how it works. Okay. And here is the section where you need to put your video. Now, as you can see right here, you can put a YouTube video or you can put a Vimeo video. I want to go, I was looking at a review from a guy just to see how things were. But I'm going to go, for example, and type any other video. Let's look at my video. So I want to go with TipsWithDav. I always do with hashtag because it's easy to find me. And I have Future Coin video, Hashflare video, whatever the kind of video is. Now I want to find a tutorial video that I have so that it's easier for me to show you. So for example, this is my was my daily vlog a week ago that I had. Okay, I'm going to click on it and let's just mute it. This is the video that I want to share, okay, which I talk about just my journey, it's me, my life, everything else that you're going to see right here on this channel. Which brings me, if you get value out of this, definitely hit the subscribe button, but let's continue showing you guys more on how you can do this. I want to share this video. I want to take this video and I want to put it on the page. Okay, so I need to get the link of this video, right? Sorry, I need to get the link of this video. Now what they want is, if I click share, and I think it should be embed right here. The link of this video is here. So I have to click on embed, and this is what they want. Okay, just this part right here. So for just to show you, I'm not going to take the whole thing. I'm just going to take that one small section, but I'm going to open another new page in Notepad and just put that in and take the part that I need only. Okay, so just want to do this. So I'm going to take this section right here. This is what I need as a video. Okay, I'm going to go to the page. I'm going to put it right here. Now, when I click OK, please test. Click on Save and Preview, just to show you guys. This is the page that comes up. Okay, so you'll get the exact page. Now, look what you have. When I click Stop, all these suggested videos come up right here. This is what you see on YouTube. So the same thing comes up here. If I pause this video on YouTube, okay, or it goes to the end of this video, I'm going to get suggested videos. You see? Let's watch. Watch how everything ends. Okay, show you very clearly. This is my YouTube. After it's done, you get suggested videos. If I click cancel, you can see right here, you get suggested videos. Now, obviously, when you're doing a sales page and you're presenting something to somebody, you don't want these, let's go to the page. You don't want these suggested videos to come up after you finish the video, because once it's done, okay, once this video is over, click on done, you're going to see right now that will end in having all the suggested pages right here. And this is not very friendly, which means it takes you to another video. I can click over here and I will go basically to YouTube to somebody else's video. I don't want to do that, right? Why do I not want to do that? It's because I don't want to give I don't want to give the traffic that I'm getting to somebody else. So how do I take away, firstly, the suggested pages? Okay, showed you guys how it can be done, how you put a video onto an online sales pro page, but you don't want the suggested pages. Another thing that when you're marketing and everything, people see the title right here, okay, which is not that bad. It's not bad. It's okay, and it's actually fine. You don't mind people seeing it. But then you have this right here as well, where I can basically, for example, my video is 22 minutes long. I'm like, why do I want to watch 22 minutes? I'll just skip the parts that I'm going through and watch only the parts that I want to watch, right? So that's another thing that you have here. But in a sales process, if you're creating a sales funnel, you have a product that you want to sell and stuff like that, you don't want people to go through it. So I'm going to do the same video and go back to editor, okay? And I'm going to edit the same video and show you the exact same way that I did before. Click on share, click on embed. It takes you here, okay? Embed video. Now, what I want you to do is if you go down, firstly, you can set at start at, and you can mention the exact time that you want the video to start at. But I'm not going to put that there because I wanted to start from the very beginning. Okay. Oops. If I scroll down, you see embed options. Show suggested videos when the video finishes. I don't want this, so I just click it right there. Show player controls. I don't want this. Okay. Show video title and player actions. I don't want this as well. Okay. So I don't want any of those options right there. If you want the title, you can leave the title. If you want the player controls, you can leave the player controls. But I don't want anything. Now, I want to show you how different this is. Okay, so I'm going to copy this again. Go to Notepad. Put this on the next. Put this down there. And see, this code right here is much bigger, which means that there has been a change. So now, what I want you to do is when you want these changes, you're going to take from HTTPS right here, okay, go all the way, basically, to show no info, okay? Why? Because this is a code that's in one bracket. So you want all of this in one bracket. Copy it, okay? Let's go to the page again, and let's put it here. It's a bit more, obviously the code is much more, okay? And then I click save and preview, and let's see what happens. Okay, so we go to the page, and voila, firstly, okay, the person has to see the video. Title is there, okay? Now the only creating these pages. Sorry, the only reason why the title is there is because it's just one video. If it's multiple videos, and the second video will not have it. First video when you have, it's okay, okay? But what you can see right now, I put my video on mute at that in the beginning. So YouTube is on mute, but it opened up here and it showed. As you can see, I can click to pause it. I can stop the video, but if you watch, is sending traffic to it. I don't have any place to stop it. I don't have any place to take it forward or anything. So somebody will have to watch this whole video from the beginning to the end in order for you to get value. Now, this is a good thing in the sales process because of the fact that you are forcing the person go through it, and then that means you can filter out the people who are not interested or not serious. Okay, so I think that this is one of the ways I wanted to make this video as a trick, basically how to use Online Sales Pro, but how to take out the suggested videos from Online Sales Pro in your funnel. Okay, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and content about marketing, about also cryptocurrency if you want. And I'm going to see you on the next video. Have a great day. Have a great week ahead.